All right, we are ready for our next Spotlight team. And for this one, I'd like to bring on Joao to tell you all about live stakes. Please give him a big round of applause.
Hello, my name is João. I'm from livestakes.fun. Are you ready? Let's go. So we are livestakes.fun, and we found a big problem. So every sports competition is watchable, but not the most innovative one, that is tech contests and hackathons. So tomorrow there will be one of the biggest hackathons ever on Web3, and we will just know the results in the end of the hackathon. So since it's not watchable, we are leaving millions on the table. So because there's no entertainment value captured. That's why we built live stakes. Also, like all the biggest competitions in sports have billions of dollars, sports, esports, reality TVs, but not tech competitions. And these tech competitions basically is where people that will launch the biggest companies in the world will be born in the next few years. So that's why we built live stakes. Live stakes, it's making bet like competitions watchable by betting markets and also live analytics. So we, in the ETHGlobal, we will live monitor all the commits in real time and use AI to know exactly what are you building to make this watchable. Also, we want to have a media engine. So we ask to everyone what they are building, what's their strategy to win, making the people main characters with storylines. So this is our platform. We have the betting engine, so basically we can research projects, see past events, see how much money they made in the past, and we can analyze with analytics, knowing exactly what people are building in real time. At the same time, we are creating engine media content, so we are asking to everyone what's they're building and getting these insights in real time. This is some examples that we did in the past events. We started in Cannes in June, and we launched the ETHGlobal New York as a test program, and we had a lot of engagement, thousands of views in Twitter, and like a lot of attention, and people actually like. So we grab this content, we distribute it to multiple socials, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Instagram, to make you guys famous. And we've been growing. So in the last event, we had $2,400 in the pool. So actually, there were people that made money. There were creators that made money. And it's interesting to see like that we are enabling a new type of competition on this market. Also, builders and sponsors want more. So builders after the event said, guys, you are making this so much fun, so we want you guys like to be here next time. And also sponsors, because they're infrastructure companies, they want more people to get attention to their protocols, so they sponsor our betting pools. And also, the internet wants more. In just like 3 or 4 days, we had over 50K of views in Twitter, and like a lot of traffic to the website, a lot of community members, very smart people that just joined the community, and they want like to test our product. So why now? Basically, we think this is the perfect moment to build a new kind of market, because poly market normalized bets. AI tools made building 100 times faster, and which proved that coding is watchable. So we want to join all these technologies together and create a new type of market where people can actually bet on relevant stuff. So, and also, like tech infra marketing is in all-time highs. So these companies need faster like updates and the faster like development process on companies trying to use their technologies. This is an example that happened last week. This is N8N YouTube. They made the AI agent battle that had hundreds of thousands of views. That were two people competing together to who will build the best N8N agent. So this is real, and this is something that we'll start seeing over and over time. So we believe that like a hacker and a founder will become a next superstar. Also this, during the last week on Korea, perp trading competition where people were trading perps with 1000x leverage, and people were watching in real time. So because of AI, we are seeing like this trend of people wanting like this very short attention span, and we see the example of pump.fun where everything is very fast. Every project that is launched there is super fast, and like these people like to invest on these types of technology. So that's why we think we are enabling a new market to be created. So with our key insights, we saw that basically the betting and media and analytics makes the tech contests watchable. And our objective is to get the KPIs of the companies that are sponsoring higher. So how do we make money? Basically, we have some platform fees where people just like place their bets on who they think it will win the hackathon. And also we get revenue from sponsors because we are enabling a media to be generated from these competitions. So right now, our strategy on the go-to-market is focusing on these competitions. For example, ETHGlobal, YC Combinator, Techstars, and competitions that we can actually, it's not watchable and we want to make them watchable. And then later we want to go to indie communities and small communities to create very narrowed contests where people can, where infra tech companies can sponsor these prizes, and you can actually see big creators competing by themselves in order to win a prize. And later in the future, we want to be as well as an investment center where we see these potential projects and invest on them. So we are very optimistic about the future because we think that kids will grow up in the future wanting to be a hacker or a founder or protocol devs, and not just like stars in sports. And we want life stakes to be the scoreboard for them. And the betting is just the tip of the iceberg because the betting is the hook, and what we are enabling is millions of viewers and prime time coverage and people to get recognized. So we want to basically transform nerd gatherings where nobody watches into tech contests becoming like a real sport. So this is our team. My name is João. We have Ziz. Maybe he will be here tomorrow. And also Ask, and also Lorenzo. And we are raising. So you will get tired of winning, and hope you try our product tomorrow in ETHGlobal New Delhi.